Hey, hi Huda.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What are you doing?
Well, I'm doing my assignment right now.
Assignment. You look very stressed, right?
Well, the assignment is not the problem actually.
Oh, so?
So, okay, I want to tell you something.
What?
Well, honestly speaking, I wasn't really satisfied with our final product in our D.I.Y project.
Oh, so actually it's not about your assignment but our assignment. Oh,
Yes,
okay,
it's
okay.
about our assignment.
Yes, okay, what's the problem?
Well, while I'm doing my assignment,
Mhm.
I have listed out a few of the problem that I I think of.
Mm.
Okay. So in I think the problem in our final product is that it takes a lot of time.
Okay.
During the while we are making the product, I think it takes about 3 to 4 hours to
Okay.
finish assemble it.
Okay.
But actually DIY is something that is simple and takes a very short time.
Okay.
Okay, and the other problem is that the combination of product is quite complicated
Okay.
because it is a what is it called, a stationary organizer, and it has a very it has so many parts. I think it's around 20 parts and it's very hard to assemble. So I wasn't really satisfied with it.
So it's okay. Actually, I'm also have have a problem to discuss with you
Oh, okay, so what's
because
the problem?
I'm also not satisfied with that, but not really satisfied. Just okay lah,
Okay lah, okay.
but I'm also have a problem.
So what's the problem? Can you tell me, please tell me the problem?
The problem actually, I think the material that we use is mounting board. So the mounting board is, as we know, the mounting board is not waterproof.
Oh.
It's not a waterproof material.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
if the water spill on the mounting board, it will damage.
Oh yeah, yes.
So the organizer, stationary organizer, not long lasting, right?
Yeah.
So, and the second, in my second problem is the drawing is not accessible because we need a very accurate measurement to so the every part of it fit in a right place. So that is the problem that I thought.
Okay, so now that you have list all the problem.
Yes.
Okay, so now we have around 4 problems.
Yeah. Two
Yeah.
you, two problem of you, and I'm also two problem.
Okay, so our problem right now is that it takes a lot of time.
Okay.
And the combination of product is complicated, and yours is that it's not waterproof. And the last one is
The drawing is not accessible.
oh, okay. So how about we tell our group members about this problem and ask them on the solution and their opinion.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Do you think that's a great idea?
Yes. I'm totally agree with you.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Then let us WhatsApp them now.
Okay.
Okay.
Hello, my name is Rebecca and my matrix number is 196847.
Hi, my name is Wei Ying and my matrix number is 197634. So now we already complete our DIY project. So we're facing many problems, and
one of the problem in this in the
in our project to do that.
is the gum is not enough sticky.
Yes, that gum is this one.
Uhu gum
Uhu. We use the uhu gum
to gum the
to
where's
gun
the board?
molding board. Yeah, like this.
Because the board is too
Surface area is not enough to glue and cannot to stick together properly. So when we stick together, the molding board is very difficult, and you know that uhu is very long time need to wet to
it dry.
dry
Yes.
it. So we having tried many
Where's where?
way yes we try many way to solve our problem so and finally we get a way to solve the problem.
Yes, we use the cellophane deck. Where's the cellophane deck?
No more. So that is no more. It's already finished.
It is more easy to make the board
Stick together lah.
yes, more easy than the gum lah.
And the cellophane tape is no need to wet it dry.
Yes, and it just cut and stick it.
Just stick.
Yes,
So I think uhu is can stick up, but we need to wait that for
need more time.
more time. But that time we don't have many time to do it because have
We remember
Group
they
mate.
have
yeah
class.
class.
So we need in 1 hour.
1 hour 30 minutes only to do this project.
Yes, and we also need time to cut it, so we don't have many time to wet the gum dry.
Yes. So I think if you have time to do this project, so you can use the uhu gum, but you very need one organizer, so you can use cellophane tape. I think it's easily
Yes, and the cellophane deck is also more cheap than the uhu gum.
Yes.
Is it? Yes, sir?
Yes, I think so. Uhu gum is I think very expensive and waste my time. I
Yes.
think. So we face that the problem. I think it's very seriously problem.
That's all.
That's all.
Thank you.
Okay,
Bye
thank
bye.
you.
Good evening. My name is Chu Li, call me Chiu. My entry number is 196174.
My name is Nunabila binti Muhammad Razi. My metric number is 19430. We want to discuss about problem we have faced when we doing the DIY project. Okay, the next problem is
The problem is combination of product is complicated, and
Yes.
the draft of the product is made by our other member. Then we are difficult to remember
to follow the draft
yes,
because they more knowledge about that. We just follow.
Then, but in that time, they have the class. Then, so after they do the draft and draw the draft, they has go to their class, and we should make it by ourselves.
So we also have difficult because we combine the difficult to combine the piece of board we have cut. We use only the uhu and the tape. The uhu glue is difficult to combine because the uhu glue is difficult to dry quickly, like hot glue. So it's make difficult to stand the board, right? And then, okay.
And the stationery must be combination by piece, and it is difficult for us to combine together. Like it is because it has many pieces of that.
Yes, got what?
Yeah. So
Solution. So our solution, we suggest for next time we should use the hot glue because it's fast to dry,
yeah.
and the more strong when compared to the uhu glue. So but the hot glue is more expensive, so we just use the uhu glue. But when you use the tape or uhu glue, is not more tidiness, this low tidiness. So we try our best to make it more tidiness and beautiful. So we just adjust the tape, is look more beautiful. Okay.
Another solution is we has try our best to arrange our time and can make it together long. Has more time together to do it.
Okay, we want to add some point. We have the combination of the product is complicated because we have to cut the cardboard for many pattern. So we have to cut the cardboard many pieces to make the pattern by pattern, and it's difficult to us to combine it because have many pieces of cardboard. So
then we also forget to level the board before we cut it. So it make us easy confused how to combine it together by one, and to combine together to be a
one stationery.
Yeah. So
the conclusion for this to solve this problem, at the first, before we cut, we must label the partition. We must label its partition. More easy, it can make more easy for us to organize the partition and combine it.
And we also should to design a stationery is more easy for us to make it. And it is also can put very more things inside there. Just that. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Wong Jie Ting and I come from Faculty Modern Language and Communication. Today I would like to discuss about our project, our DIY project that we had made last time, and today we would like to discuss about the problem that I face. So first of all, this is our stationery organizer that we did last time, and the problem that I face is this stationery organizer is non-waterproof. In an example, when I wash these chopsticks and after that I put back here, then the water drops will make the stationery organizer wet. So in my suggestion, I suggest that we can use the plastic cardboard to change to make this to replace this cardboard. So why we would like to change? Why we like to choose the plastic cardboard? The benefit of choose the plastic cardboard is the plastic cardboard are two outside flat plastic sheets separated by small plastic beams running perpendicular to them. So the plastic cardboard is non-waterproof, and the water, grease, dirt, chemicals is also will not stay on the plastic cardboard. More. Besides that, the plastic cardboard also is a very reusable and environmental friendly things. We can reuse it if we don't want to use it anymore, because it can be used for other things such as some decoration or so on. At last, if we use plastic cardboard to make this stationary organizer, this stationary organizer won't rust, rot or corrode. So in my point, I suggest that we can replace the cardboard with using plastic cardboard for doing our stationary organizer. That's my suggestion. Thank you.
Hey. Yeah. Okay. Have your seat. No, okay. So, how are you today?
Not that good.
Why?
Because this few week I got many tests, assignments, and even less video.
Same here. Me too. Same as you. Okay.
Hey, by the way, do you have a look on do you see the message from Huda?
Haven't yet, because I was busy and PSU, so I had no time to see the message. So what did she send?
She sent the problems that we faced on the day when we make the D.I.Y product.
Oh, so let me have a look. Wow, so many problems. So
I think we should choose one to solve it.
yeah, I think so.
That's our responsibility as the group members.
I agree with you. So which one we can help them to solve?
I think the first one is quite okay. Take time. Do you realize it? For the problems.
Take time. I think I can have a help, but may I know why you say it's taking time?
For that day, when we try to start to do the product, DIY product, then I see that I saw that Huda had used around an hour to draw the plan so that the product will fit together in the size.
Oh, I saw it. It used very many. How to say? It used almost an hour to draw the plan, because you need to fit the, as you say, you need to fit the actual size to the stationary organizer. So it's why it took so much time.
So have you think about the do you have any solution to solve the problem?
Let me think first. Okay, I think that we can use computer draw the plan of the stationary organizer. I mean the every part of the stationary organizer.
You mean the outline, is it?
Yeah, of course.
Oh.
Because although we have I mean Huda have the instruments to draw and measure the dividers of the stationary organizer, but I think just now you said it's take too much time, so I think use computer to draw maybe it's more accurate and faster than using traditional way.
So how about when it comes to the printing section?
I think they use they just bring it out and place it to the mounting board. So maybe it's so you can according to the line and cut it out. So maybe it's more accurate than the traditional way. Maybe when you use the traditional way to draw and measure it, maybe we can have a little mistake. If we didn't notice the mistake, I think we can although we cut out, if the size cannot fit, is the project will be unsuccessful.
So it means that using computer software to draw the plan is more accurate and will increase the the probability that will make the product done. See?
Yeah, that's what I want to say.
Sounds good lah.
So
Then we tell them our suggestion to solve the problems.
of course,
Yeah.
we need to tell them.
Okay.
Although they still using the traditional way, it's still taking time.
Yeah.
Okay, did you send it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's good.
Thank you.
Okay, welcome. Okay.